welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So now that you got the basic, what we want to do, we're going to start adding some element into it. So you know how it works. With the basic element on top. So what I'm going to do is, the element I'm going to add is the move element. And the move I'm going to add is the Bart Simpson. Okay, so Bart Simpson, you might know it, you might not. Again, let me show you how it goes. So Bart Simpson is actually taken from the cartoon Simpson. Okay, the way it works is this. You're going to have your arms here. And then you're going to take it to the side, on this side, or take it to the side, on this side. With the legs, you're going to go this way or this way. But you're going to take it further. You're going to go boom, ah, boom, ah, boom, ah, boom, ah. You might have seen this move in the Michael Jackson video, Remember the Time, right? Check it out, you haven't seen it. It's exactly the same move. Remember the time when you are I don't know the lyrics. When do you remember time? Okay, so this is the Bart Simpson. All right. Again, check it out in the video. Michael Jackson, Remember the Time. All right. Now we're going to put it with the loose leg. So the move I'm going to take is Bart Simpson with the loose leg. So I'm going to go 1 and 2. And as I land, I'm going to go on the other side, Bart Simpson. Okay, show you again. Left, boom, 1, 2. As I finish here, right, boom, and left, boom, left, boom, ha, ba, boom, ba, ha. Okay, so the in-between move is the one that you need to practice. Here, everything is the same. From here, that's when I add the variation. Ha, ha. Okay? And then we go back on the other side. So I start with the left. Boom, ba, Bart Simpson, Bart Simpson. Right. Boom, Bart Simpson, Bart Simpson. Left. Boom, Bart Simpson, Bart Simpson. Right. Boom, Bart Simpson. Cool. Let's practice on that. That's a little bit of fun right there as well. So I'm going to do it, then it's going to be your turn. All right? Let's go.
Music.